Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into something every guy should know: how to look flawless and smell great. It's no secret that appearance and scent play a huge role in how we're perceived. And let me tell you, these two factors can seriously boost your confidence. I used to struggle with this myself. I thought looking good was all about expensive clothes or the latest grooming products. But I've learned it's about the little things, the things you can do every day that make a big difference. So, let's get into it. No one wants to stand next to someone who smells bad. First of all, do not neglect to take a shower, especially in the morning. Take care to take it in the morning so that you smell good for the rest of the day. For example, I get up early in the morning and do sports, and I take a good shower right after sports, and also make sure to clean your body with natural gels. Another factor for smelling good is bad breath. You don't want anyone to say that this man's mouth smells disgusting for you. In order to avoid such a situation, brush your teeth every day in the morning and in the evening. You can also use dental floss and then clean your tongue. It feels a little bad, but I'm sure you will get used to it over time. How you smell can leave a lasting impression, so it's important to find a fragrance that works for you. I used to just grab whatever was on sale, but once I found a scent that really resonated with me, everything changed. When you smell good, you feel good. It's as simple as that. Here's a tip: don't overdo it. A little goes a long way. Apply it to your pulse points, your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. This way, the scent lasts longer and gives off a subtle, pleasant aroma throughout the day. Next, let's talk about your wardrobe. You don't need to have a closet full of designer clothes to look flawless. It's all about finding what fits you well and makes you feel confident. For me, it was all about simplicity. I realized that a well-fitted shirt and a good pair of jeans could do wonders. It's not just about what you wear, but how you wear it. Make sure your clothes are clean, ironed, and fit you properly. These small details make a huge difference. When you're comfortable in your outfit, it shows in how you carry yourself. But looking flawless isn't just about skin and clothes. It's also about how you present yourself. Grooming plays a crucial role. Keep your hair neat, trim your beard, and pay attention to your nails. These are small things, but they contribute to an overall polished look. I used to think these details didn't matter, but when I started taking them seriously, I noticed a big boost in how I felt about myself. It's about taking pride in your appearance. When you do, it shines through in your confidence. So there you have it. A few simple steps to look flawless and smell great. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about taking small steps every day to be the best version of yourself. Take care of your skin, find your signature scent, dress in what makes you feel good, and pay attention to the little grooming details. When you feel good, you look good, and that's what really matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips on looking and feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.